Hello everyone and a warm welcome. Welcome to the unbiased review of Nova Play website. So in this video I'm going to analyze Nova Play reviews and I'll also explain Nova Play is a scam or legit. So let's take a look and let's get started. As you can see, the company is offering flat 70% off along with 30 days money back guarantee. So this is an amazing deal, and at this website the payment is 100% secure, and the company is also giving 1 year warranty. So guys, grab the deals, hurry up. So high performance wireless headphones. Here is the product category: Black Nova, White Nova and Pink Nova. So you can find your desired option. This is the extraordinary benefit of this headphone: unbeatable battery, auto pairing. So this is the home page. Guys, Nova Play headphones are wireless earphones with exciting extraordinary features and available at a cost-cutting price. The brand comes with an excellent risk-free trial and 1 year of warranty, which is an amazing deal. And guys, the sound quality of this product is top-notch. So what are you waiting for? Place your order now and get high-quality earphones. So let's take a look at the contact us information. Here is the email, support@novaplay.com, but guys, I'm not able to see the official address of the website, so the address is missing here. And let's take a look at the privacy policy. So if you want to read the privacy policy, you can click this option and you will find the entire information related to Shopify, consent, disclosure, etc. Now let's take a look at the return policy. So the policy is valid for 30 days, and if 30 days have elapsed upon your delivery, then the company unfortunately cannot offer you neither a refund nor an exchange. So remember this point, guys. And what about this option? Shop. So you'll find the product category white, pink and black Nova. It's up to you. And here are reviews. So let's take a look, because this is an important part that you need to check. So yes, this website has genuine and authentic reviews of customers, which shows legitimacy of this website. Amazing. And here is the FAQ section. You can read the questions and get the answers to these questions. So what about shipping cost? It is free for US, and the standard delivery time is 48 hours, but if the demand is high, then the time can be extended, guys, and it will be generally between 5 to 8 working days within the US. So I think this is okay. And 30 days is the return policy I've already discussed. So yes, I think I have done with the entire information of this website, and this website is legit, not a scam. So guys, I also want to tell you some important things that you should consider while online shopping. You need to check the website URL, website contact us page and information, and the privacy policy, and also the website reviews. So website reviews is also present on this website, so you can read the reviews. And if you have an experience with this company or website, then you can share your experience in the comment box, guys. It will give benefit to other customers while doing online shopping and reviewing a website. So please do not dislike the video. Share your good and bad experience with the company in your comments, and I'll get back to you with more legit websites and scam alerts. So I think this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, then hit the like button or subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.